In this video, I'm going to show you my current daytime skincare. My skincare is usually very simple. I'm going to be using just these 4 products from Wow Skin Science Coconut Skincare range. I'm also going to give you an honest review on these Wow products. I'll give the direct links to these products down in the description box along with the link to the Buy Wow app, which makes it easy to shop for Wow products. So don't forget to check out the description box. If you're new to my channel, my name is Archana and I help you ease into the cruelty-free beauty world one step at a time. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also please remember to subscribe. Now first, let's quickly take a look at the Buy Wow app, which you can download from the Play Store and shop effortlessly on the app. Just go to the category you want to explore, choose a product and add it to the cart. Check out from the cart after adding your shipping address. I really like the brand and their products that I have used so far. Wow is an Indian brand and their products are not only 100% cruelty free and vegan, but they are also created with natural ingredients and are sourced from all across India. The water used in their products is from Himalayan streams. The products are free of parabens, sulfates, additives, silicones and mineral oils, and I love the fact that 80% of their workforce consists of women. Also, they have started creating their packages with 30% recycled packaging. And on the side of the package, there is a QR code which you can scan with any QR scanner to check out the authenticity of the products. You can also get points for every scan to redeem on your next purchase. Right now, as we speak, there is a special event called Wow Pro going on. Just sign up for Wow Pro and purchase Wow Skin Science products to get a chance to win fabulous prizes. This event ends on 31st July 2020, so make sure you hurry up and participate. And now let me quickly run you through my super simple daytime skincare routine. CTM or cleansing, toning, moisturizing is the basis of my skincare. For a good cleanse, I always prefer washing my face with water and face wash. I have wet my face with water and I am taking the Wow Coconut Hydrating Face Wash on my fingertips and rubbing it all over my face using circular motion to clean my face thoroughly. I love the fragrance of all the products in their coconut range. They really smell like heavenly coconuts. Now once I have ensured a thorough rub with the face wash, I'm just going to take a moment to go and wash my face at the wash basin. And I am back, and after wiping my face, I'm going to use this coconut super rich facial toner. I'm going to shake the toner well, spray it all over my face and neck and wait for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I'm going to use a clean cotton pad to wipe it off my face and neck. This toner is alcohol free and so it doesn't dry out your skin. It helps in removing any hidden dirt and also makeup residue which may sometimes be left behind after cleansing. Not only that, it also helps to tighten the appearance of large pores. It restores skin's pH balance and helps to hydrate skin, and it also prepares the skin to soak in the moisturizer which I'm going to apply in the next step. Now the next step is to hydrate and moisturize my face, and for this I'm going to use this coconut perfecting cream with vitamin E, and I'm going to apply it all over my face and neck. This cream is enriched with pure coconut oil, tripeptides, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E that not only keep your skin looking dewy fresh, firm and supple, but also helps to deal with patchy complexion and dull skin problems. I love the texture of this cream, though it is a rich moisturizer and feels slightly thick while applying and spreading on the skin. It's actually not a very thick cream. It's not at all greasy or oily and it gets absorbed into the skin quite well. And then the last and a very important step in my daytime skincare routine is applying sunscreen. I have used this UV water transparent sunscreen spray with SPF 30 from Wow Skin Science in one of my earlier videos. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box down below in case you want to check it out. This sunscreen gives your skin effective broad spectrum protection against sun's harmful UVA and UVB rays. I love this sunscreen because it doesn't leave any white cast and it can be applied even over your makeup. Just ensure that you shake the bottle really well and then spray it all over your face and neck. Then wait for it to dry down. That's my super simple 4-step daytime skincare routine. I will link all the products that I used in this video down in the description box, so make sure you check it out. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, family and other groups, and please don't forget to subscribe and keep all your notifications on so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.